Control number 43099, please introduce yourself.
Hi sir, ma'am. I am Ruth Gusi. I am 44 years old. I live in Purok Maligados, Barangay Mambugan, Antipolo City. I am married. I have one son. He is 18 years old now. I am the second of the family. I have two brothers.
What is your educational attainment?
I am high school graduate
From what school?
in Bulacau National High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong for my future family.
Have you been to any country before as an FW?
Yes, ma'am. I work in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. I also work in Saudi Arabia for 4 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for elderly?
I change him diaper and give him medications.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for newly born babies and children?
I give him milk and change diaper.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
Cooking, ma'am.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Chinese food, ma'am, like stir fry, curry, and sweet and sour. And also Filipino dishes like adobo, ginataan.
Describe yourself as an housemate.
I am trustworthy, respectful, honest, and loving for the children.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I always say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
They treat me as a family.
Message for a future employer in Hong Kong.
For my future employer, if you choose me, I will promise that I will do my duties well and I do finish my contract. Thank you.